Hello everyone. Today I'm finally going to solve my 17 by 17 for the second time, and this time I'm doing it straight through. I really want to get a time, see how long it takes me to solve it. My goal is under 5 hours because I think that's roughly around the time it took me to solve the first time when I did it in multiple parts. We'll see how it goes. I'm super excited to get started. I have the cube, it's all scrambled up as you can see. It's been sitting scrambled on my shelf for a few months now, and it's been daunting me so much to actually go ahead and solve it. But today's the day. I'm finally gonna do it, and I hope you enjoy the solve. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is my setup for solving the cube. I have it on a pillow on my lap because I found that this was extremely comfortable and easy to turn when I solved it the first time, so I'm gonna do it again like this. I also have my CS timer set up. I'm gonna be timing the solve, and I also have my multi-phase on, so I'm gonna time the splits for first center, second center, third center, fourth center, last two centers, edges, and then 3x3 stage. So I'm gonna try and get all those splits, see which ones take the longest and which ones are the fastest, and I'm just gonna go from there. Once again, the goal is under 5 hours, so let's get started. I don't even know what I'm looking for. It took me 1:15 to get my first white line. Minutes, first center done. Whew, okay, I think that is actually significantly under 5 hour pace. Okay, 29:59, so just under 30 minutes for center number 2. Now I have yellow and white, and the yellow one was barely faster than the white one. I'm surprised. I did stop to replace the battery in my camera, so maybe that had to do with it. I don't know. Let's keep going. Okay, 28 minutes for the third blue center. Now I have these 3, and I'm moving on to the next one. These aren't getting much faster. I thought I'd be getting a lot faster as more pieces got solved, but apparently not. about 2.5 hours in, and the Hamilton soundtrack just ended. I don't know what to do now. Guess I have to finish these last two pieces, but man, we are so close to finishing the last two centers. This has been obviously the longest, hardest part. So glad to almost be done. Damn. Oops. 1 second. 27 minutes for last two centers, so check it out. All the centers are solved. 225. Okay. And now, the easy part, edges. So, man, I'm getting tired, but we're so close to being done. Okay, that's first 4 edges done, and I have them all stored on this one side, so I can keep that on the bottom now, and only look like on the top and sides for my last edges, so hopefully that'll speed up the process a little bit. Okay, second 4 done, so we have 4 and 4. Now, last 4 edges. We're on the home stretch. Okay, look at this. That's the last edge case. We can just do a parity alg on the outer 2. Oh, that's a pretty good parity. Oh wait, no, there's a parity here too. Never mind. But neither of these are very bad. So, let's just get to it. Oh boy. Bam. Done with the edges in 24 minutes. Okay. Nearly done. Just gotta do 3x3 stage. Yes. My cat is meowing. Okay, all solved. Easy peasy, 251. That's slightly under 5 hours. And here's my cat. Alright, so 251, not bad. I'm pretty proud of that, or happy with that, I guess. Here it is. We solved it, as you can see, fully solved. My second time solving it, it was clearly a lot faster this time, but doing it in one sitting is extremely tiring. You know, my hands are kind of tired from moving it. My lap is tired from holding it. And I'm hungry. I guess that's all I have for this video. I've finished the solve. If you want to buy a YuXin 17x17, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can get one from TheCubicle.com. And if you use the discount code LCC, you can get 5% off your order. That's a pretty decent chunk of money when you're ordering something this size. So, if anyone's in the market for a big cube, I'd recommend it. It's a very nice puzzle. That's gonna wrap it up. Really hope you enjoyed the time lapse. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.